Hello, I'm Shukran Nakati, a technical marketing engineer here at Infoblox. In this video, we'll walk you through the Infoblox app for QRadar. Today's security landscape is complex and ever evolving. Cybercriminals are increasingly targeting DNS infrastructure to launch sophisticated attacks such as phishing campaigns, malware distributions, and data exfiltration. The average cost of data breach reached an all-time high of 4.45 million US dollars in 2023. It took organizations 204 days to identify a breach and an average of 73 days to contain it. Phishing and stolen or compromised credentials were the two most common initial attack vectors. Following a data breach, 51% organizations indicated additional investment in security. Although security AI and automation tools were used by majority of the organizations, only some of them extensively used them, resulting in reduced time to identify and contain breach than those with no use. Respondents that did not use threat intelligence took 12 days longer than the global average to identify breaches. Infoblox ecosystem is a set of integrations that unifies your networking and security ecosystem. Whether you are using public private clouds, ITSM, SIEM, SOAR, or any other security tools, Infoblox ensures seamless integration to bolster your hybrid and multi-cloud environments. You can explore our extensive range of pre-built certified integrations on Infoblox ecosystem portal available at ecosystem.infoblox.com and unlock the full potential of your network and security solutions. Infoblox, the leader in DNS, DHCP, IPAM, and DNS security, together with QRadar, a leading SIEM and SOAR provider, offer easy integration that can uplift the capabilities of each solution and elevate overall SecOps efficiency. Enhanced visibility with deep insights into your network's DNS, DHCP, and IPAM activities, accelerated incident response with Infoblox threat intelligence and contextual data within QRadar, reduced burden on security analysts, and amplifying the value of your QRadar investment are some of the key benefits that the integration provides. Let's see how the integration looks in a live environment. The instance that we are going to see is already configured. If you need help with the configuration, there's a link to the deployment guide in the video description. Once you have installed the integration and configured it, it should appear in your IBM QRadar menu. Clicking on this Infoblox dashboard will take you to the integration, and the SOC Insights Overview dashboard opens by default. Here you have a couple of filters that you can use to filter out the incidents and pie charts that show you insights by severity, type, threat class, and family. If you scroll down on the same page, you will see the recent 1000 SOC insights from your Bloxroom. Once you have selected an insight that you want to see more details about, if you scroll to the metadata part, here you can see the assets, indicators, events, and comments associated with that particular insight. Clicking on it will open the list of assets that are associated with this insight. Similarly, you can select the indicators or even view the events for this particular insight as well. If you want to just see the insights by severity or threat type, you can click on the pie chart and it will open the insights that are with severity high. The next on the list is the block DNS overview. The block DNS overview shows the list of block domains from your Infoblox. So here you can see the pie charts for top block domains, top block feeds, top compromised assets, and a list of recent 1000 block DNS requests from Infoblox. You can filter the incidents based on the domain, the user, the asset, or even the record type that's there. The next on the list is the DNS Overview dashboard. DNS Overview dashboard shows you the DNS queries from your Infoblox. Here you can see the top most requested FQDNs, DNS by response type, by query type. If you scroll down, you will see the recent 1000 DNS requests from your Infoblox. Also, if you want to see the queries that just returned NX domain, you can just click on it here and it will show you all the queries that returned NX domain as the response code. Next up, we have the DHCP overview dashboard. This dashboard shows the DHCP information from your Bloxroom. Here you can see all the new updated DHCP leases for a selected time range, how many leases were given out for unique IPs, how many leases were released. We can see a line chart for DHCP leases over time, the top 10 addresses that requested the DHCP leases, the summary, the top 10 MAC addresses, and a list of recent 100 DHCP leases from Infoblox. You can even filter it based on host name, DHCP server, MAC addresses, or the IP space. Next up, we have the service log. Here you will see the recent 1000 service logs from Blox1. Next up is the audit logs overview. Here you can see the audit logs from Infoblox. So you can filter them based on time range, action, or user. And you can even see the list of all the audit logs in the table below. Thank you for your time viewing this video. All documentation regarding Blox1 is located on the Infoblox documentation website located at docs.infoblox.com. If you have any other concerns, questions, or comments, you can reach out to the Infoblox experts on the Infoblox community website located at community.infoblox.com.